Okay, good morning students. Let us see question number 4 of the same question. Question number 8. If the temperature is 0 degree, find the temperature in Fahrenheit. And the second part, if temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So the formula we know it is F equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Now this question comprises of two parts. So this is the first part. So in the first part, temperature is 0 degree Celsius. That means this C is 0. And we have to find the value of F. Let us find F equal to 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. So 0 into 9 by 5 will give you 0. So 0 plus 32. So you will get the answer as 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Second part, if temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit. Now in the second part, the question, now C value is not given to us. Now the value of F is given, that is 0 degree. So we will rewrite the formula once more. F equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So now temperature in Fahrenheit, that is F value is given. How much it is? 0. So now in place of F, we will write here 0. 0 equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So this plus 32 we can bring to the left hand side, it will become minus. So minus 32 equal to 9 by 5 into C. So this 5 we can multiply with this minus 32. So minus 32 into 5 is equal to 9 into C. So let us multiply. 2 5 ja is 10, carry 1. 3 into 5 is 15, plus 1 will give you 60. So minus 160 equal to 9C. So C is equal to minus 160 divided by 9 degree Celsius. So very simple, just you have to put the value of C and F in this formula. Okay. Let us see the last question of question number 8. If there is a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, the question is asked, is there any temperature whose Celsius as well as Fahrenheit values both are same? So in this case, C and F both are equal. So is there any value of C which is same as F, or value of F which is same as C? So we have to find. So we'll have the same formula, F equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So now let us put F equal to C. Okay. We can also put, if you want, C equal to F. Anyone you can put. Okay. So let us put F equal to C. So now F becomes C equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Let us solve it. C equal to, so 9 into C is 9C by 5 plus 32. So C equal to, let us take the LCM. 5 and 1, LCM will be 5. 5, 1 ja 5, 1 times. So 1 into 9C is 9c plus, in the table of 1 we get 5 times is 5, so 5 into 32, 5 2 is 10, carried 1, 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16, so 100. So 5 into c will give you 5c equal to 9c plus 160. Okay. Now this plus 9c, if I bring in the left hand side, what we will get? 5c minus 9c equal to 160. So 5 minus 9 is minus 4c equal to 160. So c equal to 160 by minus 4. If you cancel it, you will get as minus 40. So that means for minus 40 degrees Celsius, the value of Fahrenheit is also minus 40. Got it clear? So when C is minus 40 degree, F is also minus 40 degree. So there is one temperature that is minus 40 for which the Celsius as well as Fahrenheit values both are same. So what we have done here, in place of F we have written C. If you write in this manner, in place of C, if you put F and solve, then also you will get F equal to minus 40. So this question is very important. All of you practice this question repeatedly. Okay? Thank you.